Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to take a backup of your company data to Tally Drive using Tally Prime. With Tally Drive, a secure cloud storage introduced in Release 7.0, your data stays protected and always accessible and readily available for you to restore. You can take a backup to Tally Drive in just a few simple steps. Let's see how. In Tally Prime, press Alt-Y, Backup and Restore, Backup. Press Backspace to set the backup data path. By default, it displays the path configured by you. Set the backup data path to Tally Drive. Now, under Company Name, select the company that you want to back up. You can select one or more companies or choose all items to back up all listed companies. You can also select from the loaded companies. Drill down from Select Loaded Company and select the company as required. Once you have selected the companies for which you want to take the backup, select End of List and press Enter. You can save the backup now or set a backup password under Security Details before saving. This ensures that only authorized users with the backup password can restore the backup file. To proceed without a backup password, keep the Set Backup Password option as No and press Enter. When prompted, you can press Y to proceed with taking a backup without any password. Alternatively, if you want to add a backup password, under Security Details enable the option Set Backup Password. Enter the password and confirm password. If you have selected multiple companies, this backup password will be applicable for all during restore. Under Email for Recovery Key, enter one or more email addresses on which you want to receive the recovery key. The recovery key will also be sent to the Tally.net ID you will be using to log in for backup to Tally Drive. You can use this recovery key to restore the backup in case you forget the backup password. It is recommended to check your email after taking the backup to confirm that you have received the recovery key. Press Ctrl-A to save the details. Log into Tally Drive with your Tally.net ID enabled for Tally Drive services. And that's it. Tally Prime will create a secure backup of your company data to Tally Drive. You can view the backups taken on Tally Drive in the Tally Drive Management Report. To learn more, refer to the video How to Manage Backups in the Tally Drive Management Report. Link is in the description. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.